Hey everybody, welcome to Flyin Miata. Guess what time of year it is? That's right, it's time for stocking stuffers. So what we've got today are a selection of products that pretty much every Miata owner probably wants, needs, or can use. And everything on the table here is less than $100. So small, simple, inexpensive, and easy to put in a stocking. So let's take a look at some of the stuff we've got.
Except for that expensive shift nut.
So, kind of to start out, who can't use some really nice lug nuts? Look at these bad boys. So, lightweight aluminum lug nuts, they're about $4 a pop, and they even say 85 foot-pounds on them. And of course, Flyin Miata. Other nice feature is they've got a little knurled pattern on the end, so gives you something to grab onto. You got a little grease or your fingers are slippery, no problem. You can get these guys off with your fingers. So, of course, ever popular jack adapter. This allows you to raise the car by the pinch weld. It's got two different slots in it, and it puts the weight of the car on the jack adapter instead of on the pinch weld. So, real nice piece. What else can I tell you about? I suppose you're wondering about this crazy hat I have on. Let's check this out. That's how that works. So, how about some Delrin door bushings? You got a 30-year-old Miata. The doors are probably sagging a little bit. They probably rattle when they're going down the road. Install a couple of these guys, quiet those doors down. You might even see some quietness coming out of the dashboard, or less noise coming out of the dashboard as a result. So those are another great item that just about every 1990 through 2005 Miata can use. Tow hooks. Don't be that guy. Don't go to the track day and get stuck in the sand and have no way for the tow vehicle to come get you out. So these are nice things to have. Throw it in your glove box. This one, you probably want to attach that to the car first. It's a little harder to get in, but this one just goes right in your tow hook. Super easy, very attractive. Calendars. Why not have some sexy pictures of Miatas at your desk at work throughout the year, including, for some reason, January of 2021, we give you 13 months just for the heck of it. Very nice piece. Ninja tool for doing timing belts. Plus, in case you hadn't noticed, you can open Coke bottles with it too, or other beverages of choice. We've also got a series of books. These are fantastic books written by our dear and fuzzy Keith Tanner, full of vast amounts of Miata knowledge, probably more than I know. Let's see here. Wow, look at that. Information. We've got this card game. So the way these work is you've got a very attractive Flyin Miata development vehicle, and on the other side you've got all this nice information. Across the bottom you've got different categories. So you can play it kind of like the game of war or top trumps. So you choose a category and you say, I've got 7 speed, the other player only has a 6, then you win that hand, so on and so forth. So that's kind of a fun little time waster. Good thing to have around. What else? Oh yeah, weighted Delrin shift knob. If you've got a kind of a rotten shift knob in your car, this one's awesome to get. It's only about $35. Fits in a stocking, and it's Delrin, so it's a nice solid material, and it's not going to get hot in the hot sun in the summertime. So this is a really, really sweet piece. We're really happy with it. Most of us have this in our cars. If you want to take that a step further, though, and this is still a stocking stuffer, but it's going to top out at about $120, is this beautiful Craven Speed shift knob. So it is absolutely gorgeous, beautifully machined, Flyin Miata logo on the top. If you really want to get crazy, this also comes in a Craven Speed short shifter kit. Super, super sweet. So if you're extra nice and send some letters to Santa Claus, maybe you'll get one of these. That would be awesome. So lastly, let me mention, if you've lasted this long into this crazy video, one last thing that I can mention that might be a good Christmas gift, if you've got somebody in the room and you're the Miata guy and you want them to get you some gifts for Christmas, and they really don't know what any of this is and they don't know if they're going to get you the right stuff, we do have gift cards. So go to Shop Our Catalog, scroll down to FM Logo Gear, and give it a click and look for gift cards. You can do values from, I think, $5 all the way up to $1,000. So if you've got a stocking big enough for a suspension kit, maybe you can talk somebody into a $1,000 gift card, or maybe call it a coupon. I usually think of them as coupons. So anyway, one other thing I should mention. Coming up in a couple, 3 weeks, Flyin Miata is going to allow its employees to spend some time with their families for the holidays. So we're actually going to be closed from the 23rd through the 1st of the year. So we'll be back after that to answer all of your questions, take care of your orders, answer your emails, talk to you on Facebook and Instagram, and all that good stuff. So thanks for letting us have a holiday, and thank you for being our loyal customers. On that note, let's take another look at this goofy hat. Trust me, I have this song stuck in my head. I've been going into people's offices and annoying the crap out of them too. So, from Flyin Miata, I'm Eric. Happy holidays.